Hi guys, this is Ashley.
This is Emma. Hi.
You guess what are we doing now?
Yes. Wow, today's weather is very nice and sunny.
Yeah, the weather is very suitable for have a picnic with your friends or family.
Yes.
Okay, so we are having the picnic now.
Okay. And we have a picnic with our frozen 75 liters fridges, dual temperature control. The stove can be as a fridge and as a freezer.
Yeah.
And the temperature can be down to minus 22 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. In only 20 hours, it's very quick cooling and fast chill.
Yes. Okay, let's sit down have a rest, right? With our frozen 75 liters fridges.
Yeah.
Wow, actually, you see, there are so many beverages and fruits there. Okay, let's have a taste. Wow.
The bread
It's very cool.
and you can see our fridge have the LED lights here.
Yes.
Both compartments has the LED lights. And in the bottom of the compartment, you can see it has a drain.
Okay, this guys is our 75 liters fuel compartment with freezers, and our 95 liters fridges is the safe classification and functions